let's go ahead and cast our Halloween keychain. So we are going to use the original formula and fill up your silicone cup or whatever cup you have on hand about halfway. Add 1 spoonful of glitter and then make sure it levels out nicely in the mold and making sure it gets everywhere in the mold. I'm adding a little bit of our clay shaker filler to the middle for a nice witch's brew. Cure it for 1 minute, then flip it over and cure it on the other side, which is really important to make sure you do this part. Once it's cured, you're going to go ahead and let it cool for a minute and then take it out of the mold and trim it with your deburring tool or whatever other tool you have on hand just to get the extra resin pieces off. Top it off with a nice layer of the original formula UV resin to make it nice and beautiful and shiny. Cure it, and then you are going to add your jump ring, key ring, and tassel to the top. And if you want to add your pumpkin charm, you'll just take your jump ring, add the pumpkin charm, and then add that right to the keychain ring anywhere that you would like. And there you go. It's beautiful.